Hi, welcome back to the massive open online course of MAT 522. In this last video, we will look briefly at the initial value problem and boundary value problem. The initial value problem IVP means that a differential equation along with an appropriate number of initial conditions at the same point. The keyword here, same point. If we look at the following two examples here, the first ODE, y prime plus y equals to ln x, has order 1 and single initial condition y prime equals to 1. Second example, y double prime. This is the highest order, therefore a second order ODE, and has two different initial conditions. Y0 equals to -1, y prime 0 equals to 0. If you notice in these two examples, you can easily conclude that the number of initial conditions given for a IVP corresponds to the order of the ODE given. First order ODE has one initial condition provided. Second order ODE has two initial conditions given. Both should be at the same point. On the other hand, a boundary value problem, BVP, it's a differential equation along with an appropriate number of boundary conditions at different points. So the keyword here is the different points. Now, you should be easily recognize in these two examples that the conditions given for these two ordinary differential equations are of different points. Y0 equals to -1, y prime pi equals to 1. In the second example, y2 equals to 10, y prime 5 equals to -3. So it should be easily distinguishable between IVP and BVP. Now that's it for this first chapter, Introduction to Differential Equation. I hope you learned something in it. Thank you and see you again. Goodbye.